How to change Snapchat's calling sound. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can change the calling sound for Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now you have to keep in mind that if you want to change the Snapchat calling sound, you have to change the notification sound for chats. And to do this, if I just go ahead and then show you by opening up my Snapchat application, you will not be able to find any of the options that actually lets you change the sound from within the application. Because even if I go to notifications, you can see that we do not have the option to change the sound. So instead what we will do is we will exit out of Snapchat and we will open up settings. Once we open up settings, we will go to the option which says notifications right over here. Tap on notifications and you'll see all these options. Under the app section, just select Snapchat. Once you select Snapchat, over here you want to make sure allow sound and vibration is selected, and then you want to go to notification categories. Once you go to notification categories, you can see all type of notifications and so on. Since we are learning to change the sound of calling, so we will just go to snaps and chats. Now keep in mind that this is the best option we can go to because there is simply no other way. Once you go to snaps and chats, you'll be able to see all type of notification settings. But if you want to change the sound for this notification, just tap on the option called sound. By default it is set to app provided sound, but tap on it. As you tap on it, over here now you can go ahead and select any of the sounds that you wish from your own device. Now once you save and select the sound, it is going to save the changes, and next time when you get a call or when you call someone on Snapchat, it will show the call in the new sound. And this is simply it on how you can go ahead and change the Snapchat calling sound. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.